आज हम एक बार फिर से 10th क्लास का राइटिंग स्किल्स लेसन नंबर 3.4 लेट्स मार्च इसके राइटिंग स्किल्स देखने जा रहे हैं। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना। स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स बिगिन। राइटिंग स्किल्स। इमेजिन योर स्कूल इनवाइट्स मलाला टू preside over celebration of Children's Day. Draft a welcome speech for this noble young girl. Gather her biodata from the internet. आंसर देखिए। Honorable Chairperson, respected Principal, teachers, our today's guest Malala Didi, and all my dear friends. We have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day on this auspicious occasion. I would like to limit my few words on the Children's Day. Children are the integral part of society and home as well as the future of the country. We cannot ignore their involvement and contribution in the life of parents, teachers and other related people all through the life. Children are blessed by God and they conquer our hearts with her beautiful eyes, innocent activities and smiles. Life becomes very boring and upset without them. This day is celebrated every year to pay tribute to all the children all over the world. In India, it is celebrated on 14th November on the birth anniversary of the legendary freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of the independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The celebration of this day reminds us to renew our commitment towards children's welfare, including their health, care and education. It is an occasion to appreciate the qualities of childhood. Children are considered as the building blocks of the strong nation. They have capabilities to change the nation positively. They are responsible citizens of tomorrow. The development of the country lies in their hands. Children's Day celebration also reminds us about their rights. Children are leaders of tomorrow, so they need to get respect, special care and protection from their parents, teachers and from the society. Do they really get it? They are being abused in many ways in our nation by their family members, relatives, neighbors or other people. Government should work on it to help them to live happily. Malala Didi is a Pakistani activist who works for girls, females education. She worked for the human rights, especially the right of education of women, children. We are really proud of her on this day. If we take inspiration from her, no child will be abused, no girl will be molested. She a great source of inspiration, and so she is here with us. We are eager to hear valuable thoughts and voice. So I think I would better stop here. Wish you all happy Children's Day and all the best for your future. Thanks a lot for your listening to me patiently and attentively. Jai Hind. Attentively, Jai Hind. मलालाज बायो डेटा आपको यहाँ पे दिया हुआ। नेम मलाला यूसुफ अफजई। फादर्स नेम है जैउद्दीन यूसुफ अफजई। मदर्स नेम है तार पिकल यूसुफ जई। डेट ऑफ बर्थ 12 जुलाई 1997। रीजन जो है सुन्नी इस्लाम। ऑक्यूपेशन है एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर राइट्स फॉर फीमेल। एजुकेशन अवार्ड्स नोबेल पीस प्राइज, साइमन डी बीवर प्राइज, नेशनल यूथ पीस प्राइज, ऑनररी कैंडिडेट सिटीजनशिप।